It's your girl Wada here. It's from the comfort of my home, bored, quarantine. So everybody is making their own hand sanitizer gel, and I'm showing y'all how to do it really fast. So I got this from the produce store because everybody wants to steal the aloe vera gel, freaking hand sanitizer. So yeah, I got these from the store, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. First, you want to take this thing off of it. Thanks to all those other YouTube videos I watched to help me learn this. And I also went ahead and drained this first. You know, you get all this little yellow stuff. There's like your freaking aloe vera leaves that your little baby. So you want to get that out of there. And then you want to wait like 10 minutes, or at least until it just doesn't come out anymore. You know, because some of them pack a little more than the others. So, move on to the next step. Alright guys, so the next step is going to be, you want to go ahead and cut off one of these ends, like right here. Just cut that off, you know, until you feel like there's enough meat in there. We don't need this anymore. Oh, I forgot to mention, go ahead and go to your sink before you cut off anything and just rinse off the bottom of this. Alright, so after you rinse off the bottom, you cut off that end. Just want to go ahead along the sides and get rid of all that extraness that we don't really need, because it's like a prickly part. It's just going to make the tough job even harder. Actually, this isn't even a tough job, to be honest. Alright, so it's kind of like a fun job. You know, get creative in the house. There ain't nothing better to do, right? For some people. Alright, so yep, you get all that extra stuff and put it away. And then I'm going to go on and show you guys on to the next step. Alright guys, so I do have my chunks here on the right or your left to show you guys. I'm going to go ahead and just cut these into manageable pieces. Very simple. So yeah, cutting this, like honestly, I suggest you go ahead and ask your mom or something if you're younger, because this part is a little bit annoying. You know, like, even if you waste some aloe vera gel, just go ahead and waste that gel, honestly, at this point, because it's going to take a while to do it for some people. And I know I'm not, probably, like, right here, there's probably some goodness in there, but what can I do, you know? Let me just drain it in there. And I get rid of that. And now I'm going to go to the back, and I'm going to just try my best to not waste as much and be safe. Some people, you know, you can put it on the ground. It's a lot easier if you're standing up to just sit it down and slice, slice, slice. But I'm not standing up. I'm actually being lazy because I have no furniture. And I'm sitting down. Yeah, so go ahead and, oop, I know I just wasted a god dang much. So there you go. So, you know, later on, I'm going to go ahead and trim all the extra green stuff later on. And then I'll come back and show y'all my final shavings of aloe vera gel. My next step is to go ahead and cut these guys into little pieces, because I don't have a blender. I have a NutriBullet. So just to, you know, cut my work in half, I'm going to cut it into little pieces, and then we're going to add it into the NutriBullet. So as you guys can see right there, you see some of those chunks. We're about to go ahead and go blend them. My hands are so slimy. I'm going to go ahead and blend my goodness. Give it a little shake. Alright, just about there. Don't really want to get too foamy with this. So here I have a very kind of foamy, not so liquidy, smooth texture. You don't want it to be so liquidy, because then, you know, you can't really go back on that step if you do that. So don't overdo it with the blenders. And then I'm gonna go ahead, and I only have this. From some videos that I watched, she had like a little bag thinger. I only have this. I'm gonna go ahead and use this in my spoon. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna do first. Got this little bowl right here, and I'm just gonna boom, boom, boom. Try to liquefy this guy. As you can see, there is nothing giving on the other end, but it's slowly gonna come out with the weight. I'm not gonna add any water to help this. Just gonna kind of mess with it in there. Alrighty, so like the YouTube video I saw said 2/3 cup. I'll probably say alrighty, so every single cup, whatever. Anyways, so yeah, I'm gonna put 2/3 cup into this guy. So next we're gonna do 1/3 of some aloe vera. That's a lot, so super slimy. Put that in your mixing bowl. And let's go. Let's see. Just go ahead and mix it all up. And I'm like really intrigued to see if this is actually gonna be anywhere near. Like, I feel like it's gonna be dumb liquidy, but let's see. Anyway, One more time, 2/3 cup. Boom, boom, boom. You know what? I don't even have 1/3 ready in here. But we'll have to see. I'm just gonna get a little bit less with the 2/3, just to be safe. 1/3 cup as well. And we actually have just enough. I'd rather be safe though. So I'm just gonna go ahead and dump that in there and go ahead and blend it all up. Because I love this scent so much. Don't mind the clearance sticker from Target. Let's go ahead and get it out. Okay, so what I'm getting here is some eucalyptus. I love this scent so much. So I watch those videos where like people are cooking and like they make nothing but a mess because they put everything on the floor and they smash it. I feel like that. Okay. That scent, oh my gosh. You got that consistency going. Alright, gonna go ahead and bottle my product up. I have used this little guy, very useful from Walmart. I'm gonna go ahead and just use an old soap dispenser. I already cleansed it out, and even when it had the water, I went ahead and squirted some out too because you can still have some soap in there. You don't want to go ahead and do that. And I'm just gonna go ahead and transfer my mixture onto a measuring cup if you don't have like a funnel, which would be very convenient. Measuring cup mixture. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just also fill up one of these bottles once I go ahead and probably have run out of space in here, so I'm making a mess. Doesn't matter. Go ahead and pour that in there. Boom, boom, boom. And then I'm gonna just use this cup because you know what? At this point, I'm not gonna run around the house trying to find a new item to pour this in. I'm already done a lot in this little corner. Can't wait to feel my hand sanitizer, which I already did. And let me tell y'all, it's gonna be a little bit slimy, but it does dry up pretty fast. Like, it definitely dries up pretty fast. So don't be scared though, and don't think you're gonna walk around the world with some freaking slimy, lubed up, semen-like hands. Don't worry, you know, it definitely feels like that at first, but definitely dries up really fast. So go ahead, you guys, and try this at home. And thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel because now that I'm bored, I really want to